In today's video, let me show you how to use the Chase My Plan feature. Welcome back to this new tutorial video, everyone. Now the Chase My feature has been rebranded to Pay Over Time. So you'll be able to see the Pay Over Time feature being displayed within the Chase platform. Now this is a feature that lets you split your eligible credit card purchases if it is $100 or more. So in order to use this feature, what you need to do is either you can make a purchase first of all, then you can head over to this particular transaction where you'll be able to find the Pay Over Time feature being displayed. So you can just tap on this option and then you can pick a duration that fits your budget. The duration ranges from 3 to 24 months depending upon what you like, and then you need to lastly confirm, and once everything is done, you need to just accept the plan. So this is the step that you do after you make a purchase. You can also have or enable this feature during the checkout. So whenever you are on a checkout such as on Amazon, you can head over to the add wallet section, and during checkout you need to select the Chase credit card that is available if you have already linked it. So either during checkout or before or after your purchase, you can use the Chase Pay Over Time feature. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.